I'm good. I'm gonna do the panorama for everyone. Already? Okay, let's see.
That's some jumbo fries. And the ketchup. Just say you only get that over here, right?
Okay, I'm inside Katz Delicatessen here in New York City with the boys. Fernando, SuperFriends NYC, Manny Explores. This is gonna be my review for what's cooking with Lizzo C. We got the Reuben with some Swiss cheese, and they put some, I don't know, sauerkraut, I think, in there. There's sauerkraut. Yeah, and the Russian dressing. And we got some pickles and fries and drinks. Okay, we're gonna dig in. We got an extra bread, so because we're sharing this is for the food crawl. Okay, here's my sandwich.
Manny is so tall.
Very good.
From Karina, look.
Go ahead. Yeah, say cheese. Cheese. Ham it up. Ham it up.
Look at his jacket.
I like this.
It's almost 50. Yes, it's 50 at.
They have music, okay, so we'll do takeout or something.
Once we reach this.
It's made of the 2,000 subscribers.
Time to celebrate.
Woohoo! 2,000. Woohoo! You ordered about
Oh, we have 100.
Okay,
now.
this is continue our food crawl. We just ordered some chicken pieces at Blue Ribbon Fried Chicken. And we are in what neighborhood?
This is like Chinatown, between Chinatown
borderline?
and yeah.
And the street is what?
First Street and.
Wait, let me do it again. I forgot to put my mic. Very
I sanitize my hands.
Wait. Okay, we got a white
Can
meat,
I touch it?
white meat, dark meat, and then a wing. And we're still on the live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, and this is going to be my review.
So the breast, this is a drumstick, I guess? Or?
No, we got
Thigh,
chicken
right?
breast, thigh, and a wing.
wing.
Thigh, okay. This
With
juicy
the
though.
boys.
Juicy. Ooh, it better be. Yeah. I just sanitize my hands. I'm going to touch, okay?
Sanitize on.
All right, we're inside Casa D'Angelo, fine Italian restaurant in Little Italy. I'm with the boys. Again. This is part of our food crawl.
Oh.
They can't keep up with me. We're just gonna snack on some arancini, rice balls, a calamari. We're gonna have a bottle of Prosecco.
And here.
And then we're on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C.
Lizzo C with a capital C.
With a capital C,
Not
that's
just a C,
right.
it's a capital C.
This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. Having so much fun. All right.
Literally looks like meatballs.
Oh, bigger plates. Thank you.
That was just for show.
Not bigger plates.
But the little one, thank you.
Oh, these the ones.
Looks like meatballs.
It's rice ball.
Yeah, I've seen them before. I just didn't know what was the name of it.
So
I
we
said
have
that the menu was
arancini,
It's
rice
rice.
balls, calamari, and the
And they
Monero
they
sauce.
make their own pasta over
Yes,
there.
they make their own pasta over here.
The thing
Well-
about this restaurant, Casa D'Angelo, they made the pasta right there.
On
So
a
from
live
scratch.
stream.
Where's
Here
mine?
we go.